Namaskar, I am Bankim Joardar speaking from the Institute of Hotel Management Department of Quantity Food Production Kitchen. This is the area where the second year sessions are held. Now today we have got a menu which has originated from the state of Rajasthan. We will just have a look at the board. What is a Rajasthani menu? So let us come here. We have got the mention out here, menu origin Rajasthan. Then on the right hand side we will mention the date, that is 25th February 2021. Number of packs is 32. Then we will see this is meant for the students' understanding only. It's a 2-course menu. We are saying that we have started with the main course. Now the question is how we will understand how to recognize the main course. If you just have a look at the board, you will see that this particular portion, right from this point to this point, has got 4 number of items. Now the thing or the part which will have the maximum number of items in comparison to that of the other items or other part will be known as the main course or the main part of the menu. And the second part, we have got just one item, that is churma ke laddu. So we will just read it out. The first item is jeera chawal. It's a very common dish which is used and made across the length and breadth of the country. Jeera chawal is a simple rice preparation which is made with the tadka of jeera, and it's a very beautiful dish, very healthy dish, and does not have any spice into it. Then we have got dal bati. It's a famous dish in Rajasthan. Rajasthani dal has got an involvement of lot of spices and more specifically the homemade desi ghee. And in that we can also add the Indian spices apart from a number of or a few number of Rajasthani or homegrown spices. Then we have got bati. Bati is an Indian bread which is baked, but traditionally this bread is baked in the cow dung fire or in charcoal fire. But as because from the viewpoint of the hygienic part, we have decided to bake it inside the combi oven. So what we have done it. But if you go to the village area, you will see this bati is being traditionally made, and that is being burnt inside a heap of charcoal. That is the regional or the village style of making the dish. Now we will show what is bati and how does it look like. Okay. Then we have got besan gatte ki sabzi. Now what is gatta? Gatta is a preparation of besan which is elongated, and the dough of besan is made. Into it, the Indian spices are added, salt is added to taste, and the dough is made by using little bit of warm water, and after that it is like given a rope-like shape. This is one way. Another way is like we can just roll it out in a circular form, and inside it we can stuff by using the mixture of grated paneer, grated mawa, then chopped nuts like kaju, kishmish, etc., green chili, coriander leaves, and roasted Indian powdered spices. That is another one. But the gatta what we have made today is the normal one, and that is the elongated one without having any stuffing. After we make the gatta, that is a rope-like structure, we boil the water on slow flame. Inside that, we transfer the elongated like rope-like structure and allow it to simmer at least for 10 to 12 minutes. After that, we drain out the water and cut the rope-like structure into a length of just 1 inch maximum. It can be 1/4 to 1 inch also. Then we saute it inside the oil with little bit application of the Indian spices. Okay. After that, we make the red gravy, or we can also say yellow gravy, and transfer the gatta inside it and give the finishing touch in the atmosphere of Rajasthani culture. Fine. After that, we have got lahsoon ki chutney. Lahsoon ki chutney, let me tell you, lahsoon is very good for the persons who are suffering from more specifically blood pressure or any kind of like health ailment. Lahsoon or garlic, this is also a very good source of iodine which is naturally available in garlic. What we do out here is we take the garlic, peel it off, then roughly chop it and transfer it inside the pulverizer or a mixer grinder. Inside it, we add mustard oil, we add red chili, it can be soaked and de-seeded before adding inside the paste making process, or else we can also add optionally some green chili into it and salt to taste. We can also add a little bit of roasted hing. We can also add a little bit of roasted Indian powdered spices also for the enhancement of the taste. Now, after making the paste, we take it out and the color is almost orangish red or reddish orange, and we serve it with the other Rajasthani dishes. It's very sharp also, it's very hot, and it is advised not to take by those persons who are having like any other health ailment, but as garlic is very good, so in order to have the garlic chutney in a less spicy manner, it is advisable to add the red chili paste little less. Then we have got in the sweet dish churma ke laddu. Now, how churma is made? Churma is a part which is made by using bati. What we do is, for making churma, we make the bati with the mixture of little bit sweetness. It can be jaggery, it can be sugar, and after that the balls are baked. After baking the ball, we break it in traditional style. The breaking style can be like followed by using a hamal dasta, that is kalpatta. In English that is called mortar pestle, or we can also like allow it to grind through a mixer grinder. But I will prefer, as because this is a traditional dish, so it should have been done by using the hamal dasta or kalpatta. After that, in order to remove the bigger pieces from the portion, what we will do is we will sieve it out. After sieving, the part which will be obtained as a residue, that will be not very fine, and that will be not very bigger pieces also, that will be of coarse structure. Okay, inside that we will transfer heated and melted ghee and chopped nuts, and after that, in the warm stage only, we will take a little portion of it and make a round ball and arrange it very traditionally, and is a very mouth-watering dish. We will see how our students have made this particular dish. So this was a little introduction about the Rajasthani cuisine. I think you have learned from the theory part, and you will also learn from the presentation part, which is being followed. So now we will see how the dishes have been made. Just have a look at the dish, that is gatte ki sabzi and Rajasthani dal. How beautifully our chef Shri Brijmohan Gabrani ji has arranged it, and how beautifully it has been presented also. Just have a look. The design, that is the plating part, which is just marvelous, excellent. The quality of the dal, the texture of the dal, and the garnish, which is very well eminent, prominent, and clear. Just have a look at the dish. This is very much presentable, and the things are showing the broken part also, that indicates that it is well cooked. So I think there should not be any doubt among the mind of the students that how the dish, that is bati and dal, look like and how they are served in the restaurant. Now let us come back to another accompaniment, that is lasoon ki chutney. Just have a look. The lasoon ki chutney, we have shown the ingredients in roasted, that is garlic, and red chili dry, along with the stems. So just before making it, we will remove the seed and remove the stem, and after that the chopped garlic will be made into paste. Just have a look at this dish, which is oily, as I have told you earlier, that Rajasthani people, they are very much fond of having homemade spices and lot of spiciness in the food. It shows the oil also, which is oozing out. It is mouth-watering. Then the next item we have got gatte. The gatte has been boiled. It has been mixed properly and cut into small pieces. Just have a look at the texture of the cut out gatte pieces. The dimension of the gatta piece should be just like this. So this is very clear how the gatta pieces are made and how does it look like. So after this, what we will do is we will transfer the gatta in this way inside the yellow gravy, and the gravy should be very much spicy. And to give the finishing touch, we will also garnish it from the top by using chopped coriander leaves. Laddu, that is churma laddu, which is still under the process of making, and our student staff is making the laddu. The laddu is really mouth-watering, and I'm very much sure that those who have not had this laddu at least visit Rajasthan, such a nice state, and you will learn that really our India is great, and whatever we make, that is really excellent. And I request everybody to go to any Rajasthani cuisine restaurant so that you can enjoy this kind of dish. Now we will have a look at the final product of the laddu, which has been placed on the white colored plate in 4 pieces. This is the final presentation which our Diploma Food Production Batch Session 2020-21 has made under the direction of the eminent chef Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani ji, and also under the assistance of our MTS worker Mr. Rambabu ji, and obviously our eminent students. Now let us come back to our ultimate thali, which is the Rajasthani thali. Just have a look. It's beautifully presented, how the course-wise the things have been arranged in individual containers. The rice has been placed inside in a demolded process. The achar of the chili has been presented in viably mouth-watering. Then we have got the Rajasthani dal just for 1 portion. Then gatte ki sabzi for 1 portion. Here you can see how the gatta has been dipped into yellow gravy or brown gravy. Then we have got melted ghee, which is served over the bati after breaking it by the server, and the bati is softened, and the having the bati is manifoldly increased as far as the taste is concerned, as far as the palatability is concerned. Then we have got the accompaniment papad. You can see how the papad has been rolled and that has been served in a nice manner. And ultimately, the last thing, but not the least, that is churma laddu. So this is the entire thali presentation. We are very much thankful on behalf of Diploma Food Production Batch to our students, DFP, to Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani, the Indian chef, to Mr. Rambabu, and I will desire that in future also we will have this kind of opportunity, and I'm very sure that all the students have learned a lot, and I will just call one person to give you some input regarding their feedback that how they are feeling like. तो मैं इस वक्त आमंत्रित करूंगा मिस्टर प्रद्युमन राठौड़ को. प्रद्युमन राठौड़ सामने आइए और अपनी जो एक्सपीरियंस है, अनुभव है, उनको थोड़ा शेयर करिए हमारे कैमरामैन के साथ.
आज हमने राजस्थानी मेन्यू बनाया है. जिसमें हमने दाल बाटी बनाई है, जिसमें ये दाल है, जिसमें हमने उड़द की दाल, चने की दाल, अरहर की दाल मिक्स करके बनाया है. ये बाटी है जिसे हमने आटा, थोड़ा इसमें बेसन और थोड़ा सूजी लेके और इसमें बनाया है, जिसे घी में और ओवन में लगा के पकाया गया है. जिसके बाद हमने लहसुन की चटनी बनाई है, जिसमें हमने लहसुन को पेस्ट बना के और इसमें घी में इसे छौंका है और इसमें लाल मिर्ची और लहसुन और घी का उपयोग हुआ है. यह है गट्टे. इसे हमने बेसन को पहले माड़ा है, उसका डो बना के तैयार किया है, जिसमें हमने इसे बॉईल किया है और इसे हमने रोल करके छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काटा है और इसे थोड़ा फ्राई किया है.
नहीं देखना, ये ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं बनाना, इसमें समझा देगा बस. नमस्ते.
ये पूरी राजस्थानी थाली है, जिसमें हमने दाल बाटी, चावल, गट्टे की सब्जी, घी, पापड़, अचार, छाछ और चूरमा के लड्डू बनाए हैं. ये थाली बहुत अच्छी थाली है और न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू इसमें बहुत है और ये टेस्ट में बहुत अच्छा है. राजस्थानी मेन्यू हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. धन्यवाद.
आप लोगों ने देखा है हमारे डीएडपी के बच्चे ने किस तरीके से अपना कथन को प्रस्तुत किया यहां पर। अभी मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा शेफ ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जी को। ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जी, आप सामने आइए कैमरे के सामने और थोड़ा बच्चों को बताएं कैमरे के सामने खड़े होकर कैसा लगा।
आज जो हमने देखा कि जो हमारे जोरदार सर ने आपको राजस्थानी मेनू के बारे में बताया, क्या हमारे डिप्लोमा जो बच्चे हैं, डिप्लोमा बच्चों का व्यू भी आपने सुना। आज हमारे डिप्लोमा के जो छात्र थे उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब लर्निंग जो की है राजस्थानी कुजिन को लेके, जिसमें कि आज उन्होंने बनाया है एक दाल बाटी, साथ में लहसुन की चटनी है, दाल जो है प्योर राजस्थानी दाल बनाई है इन्होंने, संग में बाटी है, बाटी को ओवन में रख के इन्होंने घी ऐड किया है, साथ में इन्होंने एक बनाई है लहसुन की चटनी जिसमें के अंदर हमारा जो है लहसुन और लाल मिर्च का प्रयोग किया गया है, जिसके साथ में थोड़ा सा ऑयल में थोड़ा सा इसको भुना गया है। और इसके साथ इन्होंने बनाए थे गट्टे की सब्जी, जिसके लिए ये गट्टे आप जो दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको कैमरे के अंदर, ये है बेसन के गट्टे, जिसके अंदर बेसन के अंदर कुछ स्पाइसेस मिला के इसको बॉईल किया है, जिसकी इन्होंने एक सब्जी बनाई है जो कि हमारे थाली के अंदर जो गट्टे की सब्जी प्रेजेंट की गई है। इसके बाद ना एक थाली सजाई है जिसके अंदर छाछ है, राजस्थानी दाल है, गट्टे की सब्जी है, साथ में घी है, चूरमा के हमारे लड्डू हैं, राइस है, लहसुन की चटनी है, साथ में राजस्थानी मिर्च का अचार भी है, पापड़ भी है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि राजस्थान के अंदर अचार मिर्च चटनी का ज्यादा प्रयोग होता है, तो उसी हिसाब से उन्होंने बच्चों ने थाली जो सजाई है उसमें पूरा प्रयास किया है उन्होंने उसमें अच्छे से अच्छा खाना देने के लिए, जो कि एक बहुत ही हमारा डिप्लोमा के जो छात्र हैं उनका बहुत ही एक सराहनीय कार्य है, जिसके लिए मैं उनको भविष्य के लिए उनके उन्नति के लिए मैं कामना करूंगा कि इसी तरह से वो अगर काम करते रहेंगे तो जरूर अपने भविष्य को बना लेंगे। धन्यवाद।
तो आपने अभी देखा कि हमारे शेफ ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जी ने अपना कथन प्रस्तुत किया और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा हमें सुन के। अभी मैं हमारे एमटीएस वर्कर श्री रामबाबू जी को मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा कि उनको कैसा लगा। रामबाबू जी, आप कैमरे के सामने आइए और बताइए आपको कैसा लगा।
नमस्कार, मैं रामबाबू जी है और आईसीएम से ग्वालियर से हूँ और एमटीएस की पोस्ट पर हूँ। और यहाँ पे जो है क्यूटी के विभाग में जोरदार सर और ब्रिजमोहन सर के में क्राफ्ट कोर्स के बच्चों ने राजस्थानी मेनू बनाया है आज, जिसमें दाल बाटी चूरमा है, ये दाल बाटी है और ये दाल है, और उसके बाद ये लहसुन की चटनी है और ये गट्टे हैं, बेसन के गट्टे, और दही का छाछ है। ये पूरा प्लेट जो है राजस्थानी मेनू है के साथ बनाया हुआ है और बहुत ही अच्छा मेनू है, ठीक है ना। और इसको देख के हमें बहुत खुशी हुई है। आगे भी जो है क्राफ्ट कोर्स बच्चों से अनुरोध करते हैं कि जो है अपने साथियों को भी बताएं, और ठीक है,
इशारा करना।
यस।
अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे सामने जो बच्चे हैं वो यहाँ पे प्रस्तुत हैं। हमने जो आज का मेनू बनाया इन्हीं बच्चों को लेके बनाए जो हमारे पीछे हैं। ये काफी होनहार बच्चे हैं, डिप्लोमा फूड प्रोडक्शन सेशन 2020-21। तो मैं इन सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं जिनकी वजह से ये मेनू बन पाया है। और फिर मैं अपने किचन स्टाफ को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं, श्री ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जी और श्री रामबाबू जी को। और मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं इस मेन्यू को घर में भी बनाएं और तभी इनके हाथ में सफाई आएगी और ये बाकी लोगों को सिखा पाएंगे। तो ये था आज का मेनू फ्रॉम राजस्थान। ये आप देख रहे हैं क्लोजअप मेनू के। तो आज इस प्रोग्राम को हम लोग समाप्त करेंगे और हम चाहेंगे कि आप लोग हमसे जुड़े रहें। इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट, कैटरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अप्लाइड न्यूट्रिशन, एयरपोर्ट रोड, महाराजपुरा, ग्वालियर 474005, मध्य प्रदेश स्टेट, इंडिया।